In 1950, astronomer Arthur Hoag spotted something in the Serpens Caput constellation that shouldn't exist. It looked like a smoke ring floating in the void, a nearly perfect ring of young, hot blue stars surrounding an older yellow core, with almost no visible connection between them. Is it a galaxy or a cosmic accident? At the very center of Hoag's object lies a dense, spherical cluster of old, yellow stars. This core resembles a typical elliptical galaxy, but sits in the middle of a wide, low-brightness gap before the outer ring starts. It glows with ancient light, seemingly disconnected from the vibrant blue ring. But how did it get so lonely? Surrounding the core is a spectacular ring of young stars, spanning approximately 121,000 light-years. This is slightly larger than our entire Milky Way galaxy. The contrast between the ancient yellow center and the youthful blue perimeter remains one of the most striking visual anomalies in the entire known universe. What baffles scientists most is the massive gap between the core and the outer ring. It appears almost empty, containing very little luminous matter or visible stars. Usually, galaxies have a gradual transition, but Hoag's object has a sharp, clean break. It is as if someone precisely erased the stars in the middle. If you look closely at the 1 o'clock position inside the gap, you can see a tiny, distant image. A distant background galaxy appears perfectly framed inside the gap, an extraordinary coincidence of rare chance alignment. This galaxy within a galaxy is a mind-blowing visual treat that occurs only in the deepest cosmic views. How did this form? One theory suggests a smaller galaxy once crashed directly through the center of a larger one. This bullseye collision would create a ripple, pushing gas outward to form a ring. However, there is no sign of a bullet galaxy nearby today. Where did the celestial attacker vanish till after impact? Another hypothesis involves extreme bar instability. Some astronomers suggest the core once had a central bar of stars that spun so fast it became unstable. Over billions of years, the bar might have shredded itself, flinging its stars outward. However, this specific hypothesis remains debated and is not yet settled by physics. A more modern theory suggests that Hoag's object stripped gas from a passing neighbor. About 3 billion years ago, it might have captured material that eventually settled into a stable, rotating orbit. This sparked the birth of the blue stars we observe today. But where is the victim of this cosmic theft? Ring galaxies make up less than 0.1% of all observed galaxies in the sky. Hoag's object is one of the most nearly perfect ring galaxies known. Its symmetry is so precise that it challenges our understanding of how gravity shapes large-scale structures. Nature rarely creates such perfect circles without a visible reason. Could dark matter be the invisible glue holding this strange structure together? Some physicists propose that a massive, transparent halo of dark matter keeps the ring stable despite the empty gap. Without this hidden mass, the ring should have drifted away or collapsed. Does an invisible hand control the star's ancient dance? When the Hubble Space Telescope took a high-resolution image of the object, it only deepened the mystery. Instead of finding hidden bridges of stars in the gap, it confirmed the void was real. Every detail we uncover seems to contradict the standard models of galactic evolution. What are we truly missing here? Hoag's object belongs to a class of ring-type galaxies, but it is far more symmetrical than its cousins, like the Cartwheel Galaxy. In the Cartwheel, the collision is obvious. In Hoag's, the history is wiped clean, leaving no scars of the event. Is it a masterpiece of cosmic hiding or art? Because it is 600 million light-years away, we are seeing Hoag's object as it was when the first complex life appeared on Earth. It serves as a time capsule, showing us a unique path that a galaxy can take. It is a path of isolation, beauty, and impossible structural stability. The James Webb Space Telescope could provide new clues. Deep infrared observations might reveal hidden dust clouds or faint stellar streams in the gap that Hubble missed. We are waiting for that one piece of evidence that finally explains the origin of the universe's most perfect and mysterious blue ring galaxy. Most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, have spiral arms that connect the center to the edges. Hoag's object defies this logic entirely. There are no arms, no bridges, and no visible connection between the core and the ring. It is a lonely island surrounded by a glowing, blue stellar moat. The blue ring is a factory of massive star formation, yet the core is a graveyard of old, dying stars. Why did star formation stop in the center, but explode so violently in the outer ring? Scientists believe the density of gas in the ring triggered this sudden, brilliant, and youthful nursery. When we look at Hoag's object, we realize how diverse the universe can be. It challenges the standard ways we classify the heavens. If such a perfect structure can exist by chance, what other impossible shapes are waiting to be found in the darkness? The galaxy remains a beautiful, cosmic jigsaw puzzle. While gravitational lensing was considered, spectroscopy showed the core and ring share the same redshift, meaning they are part of the same galaxy, not a lens illusion. This solid scientific evidence proves the ring is physical matter orbiting the yellow core. But how such a stable orbit was initially formed remains unknown. As we peer deeper into the Serpens constellation, the silence of Hoag's object remains deafening. Was it born from a violent collision, or did it slowly grow into this shape over billions of peaceful years? The answer lies hidden in the infrared light of its ancient, golden, and mysterious central core. Hoag's object reminds us that the universe still has many secrets hidden in plain sight. Is it a relic of a collision or a masterpiece of dark matter? We may never know for sure. Like this video, subscribe to World of Mysteries, and tell us, what do you think happened out there?